sales versus profit. So if you are looking for all customers to be shown with sales and profit lines, you can drag it in a details. So data is there, depending on data values, it has been shown that sales and profit are having some of relation, but they are increasing. If sales is increasing, profit is also increasing, and few of the cases are there which is you can say it's going negative also in terms of profit. Even though sales is there, but we are getting negative profit. So if you want to study how many cases are there, you can even select the data, and you can further analyze, or you can exclude, or you can click on show data. So you can see these are the customer IDs where we are in negative profits. Even though if you want to explore other informations also, you can get the full data access. So at the run you can get informations, whatever the things are there. You can export if needed. You can export in data in CSV format. If you want to study this data in further with different angles, you can export the data. Done. Now if I am looking for to get the color for these data points on the base of category, so I can drag the colors here. Again, if say colors is not required, let me because if you drag trial, you're getting this icons there. So I say I'm currently not looking for. I want this size of these balls to be controlled. So for that, I'm taking lesser values so that we can get the we can see the difference. So let me take a subcategories in colors. These are some subcategories available. I said this size of these balls need to be customized based on profit or sales. So let me take a sales first. So you can see the lowest ball I'm getting 196 and the highest ball I'm getting 630,000 as a number in total. So if still you want is not readable, you can increase the size. We can treat it as a bubble chart also, because we are customizing this scatter chart in the context of bubble charts. So here the size of bubble will be controlled based on the value of the individual variable. So still if you say I'm looking for showing this data value here, so you can show the data values which can help to make a call. So along with this, I say I'm looking for to show this subcategory name also. So you can drag the subcategory name also on label. So it is currently available with the name. So if you are looking for something else also, you can drag it manually now. So I say sales to be there, and sales to be formatted. Right click, format again, sum of sales. I'll say currency, no decimal, it should be in 1000. That's it. For readability purpose, you are making this corrections. So if you want to make it more readable, then you can take a call whether this information is still need to be defined. You can define the case. So it is, you can say scatter chart, or you can say bubble chart is there. So scatter is indirectly is a backbone of bubble chart. First you make a scatter chart, and then you use the influence of secondary variable to increase the size of ball if it is there. If it is not there, if you are in the same size of your balls, you can consider it is a normal scatter chart. Otherwise, if you are treating that the size of ball to be increased or decreased based on the third variable, then you can treat it as a bubble chart.